Where are we?
Wales.
Where are we going?
Wales. There's a place just down from the waterfalls where we go to, and it's a mini zoo. They got a parrot in there, which makes a text tone, and look, real wolf, really close. This parrot makes text noises when you get a text. On WhatsApp. And some monkeys in a coat.
2 seconds, I'll watch that video call you. 2 seconds.
Keep him warm, are you, mate? Hello.
Whereabouts in Devil's Bridge!
Devil's Bridge! So now we've reached Devil's Bridge, and it is cool, and it's a long way down. Miles and miles of pine forest there, waterfalls right in the distance, and big lake. After you get down all the stairs, you come across what actually is Devil's Bridge, which I thought it was up there, but it's this one, and it's scary. Oh my god, this does not feel good. And now we're in Robber's Cave. So we've made it to the Mamgoo. Lucy already and getting in the hot tub. There's me wrapped up like a polar bear, and there's her half naked getting in the hot tub. Got a little trees there. We've got a little wood bowl thing there, table. We've got big other things around there. There's another bedroom around there if we really want. We've got donkeys in a field down there. Come on, MTV. This is my crib. Ooh. So, I'm gonna shut the door, it's bloody cold. So this is the main room. So you've got your sofa, TV, little log burner that's currently going just to get a bit of heat in here. They gave us some nice cute little gifts, like cakes, pineapples, stuff like that. Bowls, a proper old school Aga style cooker, which in itself is pretty damn cool. Then you got the bedroom, rock solid bed. No, it's not too bad. Some pretty decoration. The bathroom with no door. The bathroom with no door. And if I just take you back outside. So yeah, got the old passion wagon parked outside. Oh, known place like home. I've got a little wood burning kennel thing. Got a shed with a few little added extras in, just ladders and extra chairs and stuff like that, I guess. Around here we got little barbecue things, well, just bins, nothing really to show you around there. We've got a view of all the mountains, and Mountain Ross or something like that is over there, that bit there. Loving life in the hot tub. And the body, which is, it's literally a spare room, but it's not suitable for summer apparently, because it is literally just a tin shed with a fire inside. I'm not sure if you can even go in. Oh yeah, you can. Oh, this is cute. This is like a little log cabin. I've not looked in here yet, so I don't know where the light is. I don't think... How do I find the light? Where's the light? Give me light. No. Where's the light switch? Okay. Ah, there's a torch thing here. Well, that doesn't work. Oh, that does work. Okay, so there's the light. So where's the switch? It's not even a real light. It's just decor. Great. So yeah, got a little table down here, a little wooden bed. Everything is wooden. I mean, it's quite a cool. Ooh, bit damp. Nice view. Little lantern. You can really feel like a miner. Another little lantern. Little haunted mirror type thing. That's quite cool. And that is the body. I mean, I wouldn't want to sleep in there in this weather. You probably wouldn't wake up. And that's it. It literally is a little tin shed. Inside, it's all wooden. They've done really well with the decoration and everything. But yeah, and there's our little donkeys. Just about see them there. And that is that. You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Right, see you later. I'm going to get in there with her. I know what you're thinking. How sophisticated. Drinking red wine? Red wine? I don't drink red wine. Look at this. In a hot tub in the middle of Wales with the mountains behind. So they must have known I was coming. So they've even left a little bag for me, look. Ginge.
Day 2, where are we going?
Rainy Snowdon.
Rainy Snowdon! It's really rainy.
It's windy and it's windy, but we're in good spirits.
But we're mad, 'cause we're in Wales. So we've just got to Snowdon. However, we can barely see the mountains, so we won't be going up it today.
Why don't you show up in front there? There it is.
There it is.
Can you see it?
Can you see how?
Just beyond that tree line.
Just beyond that mistiness. So we're going to give that a miss and just have a little explore in the...
I'm going to go show you the waterfall, the little secret waterfall that's probably not going to be that secret after this. But
it's a bit wet out. But we're still having fun. Are you having fun?
I am having fun.
He was very enthusiastic, wasn't he?
Waterfalls upstairs just below.
We're just looking to park. Beautiful. We made it to the waterfall. It's a bit angry. A bit wet. Make a little video.
Soggy Tommy.
Water literally everywhere.
We're just going down a canal.
We're off-roading it in the lake.
But now we're heading to Begdaler to go to Sigen Copper Mine. Comes out a long line. All the way down, following the gold truck. Alright, here's the car. That's where they would bring some of the gold up from, but gold.
Gold.
What?
Gold.
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 In the copper mine, just gone up 186 steps. You got me a cardboard box.
I got your cardboard box. Do you want to have one? How much for it?
The camera will see it first, so I don't actually know what.
Yeah, but all it can see is bubble wrap.
Trying to work it out. Oh my god, what is that? Is that white chocolate?
And
All
you-
of that is white
And you
chocolate.
smash it and there's stuff inside.
Really? Oh, this is fun.
Okay, you don't want to...
Oh my god, there's so much
something
chocolate.
underneath.
I love you too, honey. Thank you so much. Another one. And the horses. Hello. Oh, here comes the horsey. Hey. Oh, don't eat my phone. Underground trampolining, excited.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
Oh, yeah, I got duck clothes and hit my head. Go on, Luke. Go for a little tunnel. Oh, I just got dripped on. Go on, oh, go on, Luce, run down there. Going down one of the big slides. See the bottom, Luce? Finished the bouncing. How was that?
It was great. Had a great time.
What are we doing next?
We're going to go caving.
Yeah, well,
Cabining.
Cabining, zip lining. Underground cave-in, really high up. Doing zip lines through the middle of caves. All set up and ready to go for this one. Here we go. See you in a minute, Liz. Woo! Someone that's scared of heights, you're doing really well.
Thank you.
This is a big boy. Look at this one. Goes all the way down to that green light. I'm telling you. Oh no. My turn. Here she goes. Let's get out of the way. But we're pretty much at ground level until you reach just there, then it dips down. It's a long way down. That is a long way down. Oh shit. Alright. That wasn't too bad. Fun, Lucy?
Having a great time. Conquering my fear of heights.
Conquering the fear of heights. Big zip wire to go now. Bye.
So high up. Oh, inbound.
That is how you do it. Is that good?
Did you see how brave I was? Oh, sorry, I swore.
This is what they called the hellhole. This is where what Hayley was saying, that when this was an active mine working, this is when they used to go to the toilet and chuck it down this massive hole. And it doesn't smell bad. There's a little walkway and then the massive hole there. So that is a swimming plus. Pull in with the pool. Whoa! This is a wobbly old bridge.
I'm gonna let you
Oh, what's that? About 50 foot? There's the bounce away bit. There's the bounce below that we did earlier. Alright, you've got confidence now, look at that.
confidence.
A hole. At the bottom. Going for the big zip wire through this lake cave. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? There's about a 50-metre drop. And we're going to go swinging off it. See ya.
See you on the other side, Pat.
Here she comes. Over the big dip.
That was a long way down.
Now we've got 2 more zip lines to go, and then that's us. So, see you in a bit. This is why I get stuck halfway. Woohoo! On my bad, there's like 5 more steps. 5 more steps. Oh, just get out of Lucy's way. I tell you what though, I am so proud of her. So proud. You have no idea what she has overcome. I'm not gonna lie, this is way beyond her level of fear, and she's literally pushed herself past it. Okay. She's done what a lot of people would not do if they were scared of heights.
Yeah.
Last zip wire, that's the end there. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
See you later. Oh,
you later.
shadows in your face. See you in a bit. Woohoo! Oh.
You won.
That's it. Right, now what's that? Oh. Ooh. Sorry. Yay! You've done it! You have nailed the core. It's still attached.
No.
Out the turntable. And then we've finally done this little operation style cable all the way to the end. Yay! Oh my god. He's so proud. Watch your head.
And at the last minute, she knocks her
Oh
off.
my god. I'm so... Right, let's get out of this cave. $16.80. That's an old yew tree. Hello.
Hello.
Quite high up here, almost level with the castle. Not sure how high, roughly 1 foot. The ice house. They used to store the ice. Whoa. 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 That's cool. Look at Lucy go. She let you get her in the caves once to do a bit of dodgy climbing.
These are wow slippery.
Yay! Have a go?
Go, go, go. Look at the speed demons.
Ta-da! Yay!
Speed demons.
To the house. That was Powys House and Gardens. Now we don't have a clue where we're going. We're just going to drive and find a nice place and hang around for a bit, and then to dirty Birmingham to get TGI Fridays.
video on our way out of Wales.
We're in Welsh Pool, so right on the edge.
We're going to stop at TGI Fridays, a bit of Jack Daniel's chicken on the way home.
And it's been raining the whole time we're here. The moment we're about to leave, the sun comes out.
Have you had a good time?
I've had more than a good time. I've had a brilliant time.
We've had the best time. Are we going to come back to Wales again?
Yeah, one of many times.
Bye Wales. We love you.
Love you, Wales.
Bye.